Jolly Farmstead is located in the beautiful St. John River Valley of New Brunswick, Canada. Our herd of 40 brown Swiss dairy cows produces 1,200 liters of milk per day. Brown Swiss cows are curious and affectionate in nature, and farmers continue to value them for their quiet and docile temperament. From dawn until dusk, we're always busy on the farm. From clean out, bedding down the cows, feeding, milking, mixing TMR, and caring for newborn calves, there's always work to be done. In the spring, you'll find us in the fields, tilling and seeding new cover crops. We maintain 300 acres of fields for the production of hay, silage, and corn silage. Each year we harvest an average of 750 round bales of hay and silage, and about 500 metric tons of corn silage off our fields to feed the herd. With the help of our nutritionists at Belle Isle Solution Nutrition, we create feed formulations specific to our silage analysis and our cows' nutritional needs. Our TMR mixer has given us a lot of flexibility in our feed formulation, allowing for increased milk production and healthier cows. Grass and corn silage, corn, barley, wheat, soy meal, canola meal, and minerals are mixed to form a balanced total mixed ration, TMR. Our robotic milking system has reduced chore time by nearly 50%. The robot scans each cow's ID tag and then tracks and records production, milking times, and grain allowance. Brown Swiss milk possesses the best protein to fat ratio of the higher production dairy breeds, making it excellent for the production of cheeses. Reproduction in our herd is achieved using artificial insemination. This allows for genetically superior heifers for herd replacement. Brown Swiss cows are known for their well-balanced build, and they are a strong, adaptable breed with excellent longevity. Our milk is sold to dairy farmers of New Brunswick, who delivers it to processors that make and distribute the milk, cheese, and dairy products we all enjoy every day. Our goal is to produce high-quality milk with the use of little to no antibiotics. Buy locally and support New Brunswick dairy farmers.
Our 13-acre state-of-the-art complex is located in the beautiful St. John River Valley of New Brunswick, Canada. Jolly Farmer grows high-quality young plants, serving growers across North America. With more than 3,000 varieties offered in multiple tray sizes, you'll have options for every program or budget. Our young plants are propagated from only the highest quality seed and vegetative materials. We are constantly researching and implementing innovative technology to maximize both proficiency and plant quality. Before our young plants are shipped, we move them to a cold toning house to harden them for transport. Our growers monitor many factors, such as weather, temperature, and moisture to ensure our plants have the best possible growing environment and shipping experience. Taking the road less traveled, we sell directly to our customers, which allows us to be more responsive to your needs. Our quest is to offer you solutions. We offer tag sales to match your orders, delivery options for remote locations, combo ideas, tech support, cultural guidance, personal attentive service, and much more. And for orders of 4 or more boxes, our pricing includes royalties, boxing, and freight. We have absolutely no hidden charges. With our own transport company, we have the flexibility to make timely deliveries critical for shipping young plants. We invite you to join our growing list of satisfied customers and experience our commitment to integrity, quality, and reliable service. Call us today or visit our website to become one of our valued customers.